Hey y'all, it's your girl Sha. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look using Luvmehair's affordable headband wig. I don't know. Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sha. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We're back at it with another hair tutorial. Today's video is going to be on a headband wig. I have been interested in trying out headband wigs for a while now. If you know me, you know I'm not a big wig person. My scalp just gets really warm easily. I just have never been super successful wearing wigs. But I saw this on Instagram and it looked so bomb. This is not a sponsored video. They did not send this hair to me. I purchased it with my own money because I'm like, I can't keep doing these buns, these crusty buns, by the way, in between my braid styles because one, buns are not the greatest protective style in my personal opinion with all the gel, the gots to be sprays. Like, it's just, my hair feels ugh afterward. I just don't like it. So I told myself that in order for me to think about the health of my hair, I need to do something in between wigs, whether that be wear my natural hair out without straightening it so often, or get a headband wig so that I could just, you know, go out, pop it on real quick if I need to and not look crazy. I can't do the whole lace wig. It's just not for me. It doesn't look good on me. So I saw an Instagram post by Luvmehair. It's an affordable luxury wig company, and that's the other thing about some headband wigs. A lot of these wigs are fairly pricey. They're real pricey out here. So unless you're getting sponsored, sometimes I'm just like, I don't know if I want to spew out that much money on a wig, and I'm not even sure how it's gonna look on me. This, they had a sale. So it was $115, I believe, which is pretty good for a wig. Usually they're like $300, $400. So I was glad that I found this. I got the Jerry Curl headband wig in 16 inches. So I have not opened it yet. Fresh out the mailbox pretty much. This video is going to be just my initial reactions on this headband wig. So I might do an update video within like a month or so to see like what the shedding is like and all of that. So this is just first impressions, all right? So if I like it, I like it. If I hate it, But let's hop right into it, okay? So this is the packaging. It's super, super cute. I love a good package, okay? All you do is pop this bow off and it comes in the box. First things first, there's a smell. I don't know what that smell is, but it does not smell good, but we'll see. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvmehair. I don't think this is a black-owned company. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I will do my research and I'll fix it on the screen if it is. But I don't think it's a black-owned company, but I'm not really sure. Oh, it comes with different headbands. Okay. And a wig cap, all right, because I wasn't sure if I needed to buy a wig cap or what. The box really smells, y'all. It smells like fish or something. I don't know, whatever. So it comes with this little pamphlet, says Luvmehair, how to care for your hair wig, how to use it, refunds and returns. Comes with a wig cap. And it also comes with this pouch, oh cute, of hairpins. I don't think I'm gonna wear this, but it says Love Me. An edge brush, lit. Oh, I guess this is to expand the wig if you need it to. I think this is like when you go to sleep at night. So far, what? This little pouch? Tweezers and bobby pins. Cute. And let me see these headbands. Oh, I like these. some of them. They're like just plain colored headbands. Yeah, okay. I'm liking that. Everything is good so far except for the smell. And this is what smells. So that's probably why a lot of people online I've been watching, they recommend like co-washing the hair because of this smell. So this is how the hair looks right out of the box. Not cute at all. But I'm going to go and co-wash it, and then I'm just going to show you guys what that looks like, and I will let it dry. You need to co-wash it. This joint, is it just me? If you experience this, you bought this hair and it smells like this, please tell me in the comment section below, because I'm gonna go co-wash it and see. But right now you can see there's a headband here, and then it also comes with combs. I don't personally use the combs that much because they can pull out your edges and the sides of your hair. So I'm just gonna use the adjustable strap here to tighten it and make sure it's secure, and probably add like 1 to 2 bobby pins just to really make sure it's secure. But I'm gonna go co-wash and I'll be back. Alright, so you want to just make sure that you are detangling the hair as you condition it. So I use Tresemme Flawless Curls, just my regular conditioner, and I'm using my normal easy detangler brush just to get through all of the strands. You really want to make sure that you get the conditioner through all of the strands to get that funky smell out, because y'all, that smell just wasn't it. So I gave it 2 washes. So this is the first wash, just making sure that I rake my fingers through it as well. There wasn't a ton of shedding, I'll show you at the end, and then I'm gonna give it a second wash. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I've already put this wig cap on and my hair is just in a bun. I blew it out because I washed it and all of that. So completely different from the last video, but it's down in a bun. Didn't add any gel just yet. I'm just gonna do my edges a little bit before I put the wig on. Gel on my edges. And I don't even care if they're not perfect. Okay. So I'm sorry if the lighting is completely different. It's the next day. It's actually daytime. In the last clip it was nighttime and the lighting was better then. So I don't know what's going on today. But anyway, we are back. So I've already co-washed the wig. and it smells a lot better. So you have to co-wash the wig. Before, it just comes smelling fishy, wiggy, I don't know. It just wasn't it for me, okay? Not at all. So the wig comes with a strap. Sometimes I need the extender because big head tings, but right now I'm not putting on the extender. Maybe in the future I will. But it does come with 4 combs. One, don't think you could really see it, but it comes with 4 combs, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and then 2 on, 1 on each side. So I'm just gonna put the front on first. And then I'm going to secure it back here before pulling it down. Okay, then I'm gonna take this little flap while also holding the front, and I'm going to pull this down and take the comb and just tuck it here. So I really only care for the comb in the back, just for some security. Yeah. All right, there it goes. Okay, and then the front is like this. Okay, so as I mentioned, it does come with a ton of headbands. I think you get 1, 2, 3, 5 headbands. And then I also bought this really cute one a while ago, just never had the time to wear it. So I think I'm gonna do that one today. So I feel it slipping back just a little. So I'm gonna take this comb and lightly secure it somewhere up there, because who needs a wig that's sliding back? Not me. I'm gonna put this here, cover up that black strip. And it's not bad, but it's also, I gotta get used to it. I don't think I've had big hair like this in a minute. It's fairly cute though. It's like a quick, oh, I gotta go somewhere, my hair's not done, and you could instantly jazz yourself up. It's not too bad, okay? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. At first, I was like, I don't really know. I don't know. So you could twist it. I twisted it in big twists while it was wet a little bit, just because, I don't know, sometimes wash and goes really shrink for me. But this isn't my real hair, so. And then I ended up like spritzing it afterward and kind of combing it out a little bit. So, sorry I didn't get that on camera. It was kind of like a rush situation. But I think I'm feeling it. It's one of those, if your hair is not done, you throw it on and you can instantly jazz your look up. I think some people even wear it up sometimes. I think this was a good purchase. It was a good purchase. Yeah. I mean, I don't really have anything else to say about it. I'm going to do an update video in terms of shedding, but when I go like this, it's like one small piece of hair that comes out, nothing crazy. But I like it. I like it so far. I think I'm gonna call her Renee. Everyone say, hey Renee. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, it's not too bad. And then you could even do like a middle part. Aw, even the middle part is cute. Don't mind my deodorant, sorry y'all. This is cute, it's cute. All right, it seems like headband wigs are it for me. I could add more definition, but I'm not really a definition girl, I'm more of a volume gal. So this is it. This is it. I'm gonna try different styles. Oh, let me show you guys the other headbands too. I think this was a good buy. I'm very, very pleased with the ability to just grab and go, because sometimes you need that. I'm very, very pleased with that. And then it comes with the same one in black. and the same one in red. So I'm gonna try them out, you know, play with different styles, just jazz it up here and there, and I'm good to go. It's totally a summer style, but I could rock it whenever, honestly. It looks like my hair. So I would just, you know, spritz some water in it on a daily basis just to give it some more life, and that's about it. All right, and that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this wig. I'm sure going to be playing around with it this summer and fall, and you know what, every season, okay? I will put the specifications in the description box below. So again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Until next time, see y'all. I think I could rock this in the summer. I totally think I can. All right, I gotta go.